Good morning, everyone. I'm happy you're here learning with me today. Today's lesson is going to be on attitude and having a positive attitude even when things don't go your way. Think about something that you might struggle with or something that doesn't come easy to you the first time. It might be working on those math problems. It might be trying to ride a skateboard. When we come to something that isn't as easy as we thought, sometimes we quit and give up, or sometimes we keep trying, change the way we think about it, and then we got it. I'm going to share a video with you today. It's a Class Dojo video, and we're going to talk about what happens to the character when things don't go his way and things get tough. Hope you enjoy.
Chapter 1. Mojo discovers a secret about his brain. A secret that will change the way he looks at the world forever. Our story begins with Mojo, a friendly monster who loved school, especially math. Until one day, when something terrible happened. The math problems got harder. Nothing made sense anymore. Mojo had a devastating thought. He just wasn't smart enough for school. It seemed the only reasonable thing to do was pack his things and leave forever. Just then, he heard his friend Katie laughing. "Mojo, you can't just give up," she said. "I have no choice, Katie," said Mojo. "You're either born smart or you're not. And I realize today that I'm not." "Mojo, that's not how it works," said Katie. "Anyone can be smart. You just have to work at it." "That's the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard," said Mojo. "It's not ridiculous, it's science," said Katie. "Neuroscientists studied the brain for years and discovered an incredible secret. That your brain is like a muscle. When you try challenging things, like those hard math problems, you're giving your brain the exercise it needs to get stronger, which makes you smarter." "Oh, is that really true?" said Mojo. "Of course," said Katie. "It's like how when you were a baby, you didn't know how to talk. But you kept trying, exercising your brain, until one day you could." Mojo couldn't believe what he was hearing. If your brain was really like a muscle, did that mean anyone could become smarter? Even him? He turned to ask Katie, but just then, she had to be off to her next class. But maybe you can answer Mojo's question. What do you think? Can Mojo become smarter? What about you? Now that's an interesting question indeed.
What do you think? Do you think Mojo can become smarter by working hard and having a positive attitude on things? Or do you think he just won't get it and he should quit? Think about, what would you do if you were Mojo? What do you do when something is hard or something's a challenge? When we change the way we think about a situation and change our attitude, we can accomplish anything. We keep trying and trying and trying, and then you guys will succeed. On this Padlet where you access this video, think of a struggle that you have. Think about something that doesn't come easy to you. What are some steps you can do? And how you can think about a problem that'll help you get through this tough part. And I also put an optional activity. It's the Troll song, Get Back Up Again, because I think it fits in exactly with what we're talking about. The character Poppy in that song, a lot of things happen to her in that music video, if you've seen the movie Trolls. But she keeps going, and she keeps going, and she keeps going, even when things get tough. Her attitude is everything. It's the way she thinks about a problem. She doesn't give up. And I don't want you guys to either. I will see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. And remember, attitude is everything. Bye.